So I just want to show you guys how the last few days have went with this new committing to this new planning and productivity system as my exclusive system. Here we're going to go into the system. It's called Life Goals. I'm going to open this up. The beauty of this system is that it's broken down in a hierarchical fashion that enables you to toggle open and close the different time frames that are of interest and that are relevant at different times of your life. So right now I'm 30 years old, and that's therefore this is the one that's going to be relevant to me. And it's summer right now. It's July. That's why June is crossed out. All of these weeks have passed already. I'm currently in this week right here. And then you can see, you just keep dropping down and you can see your goals broken down. Once you get to the weekly level, this is where you start to break down the specific tasks, the specific objectives by priority and by bonus. I like those two words because I know priority doesn't necessarily mean best case scenario, I get all of my priority goals done. And then anything bonus, I used to call this optional, but that doesn't really motivate you. I feel like bonus is a much better word because then you're kind of shooting for a high score rather than just giving yourself the option of doing something. There's no reward in that. And I'll show you on the priority side what happened today, where actually, let's start with yesterday. I had a great start to the week. We'll actually look at Monday and Tuesday. I had a great start to the week targeting this first priority goal of the week, which is support or creating a new wall frame for my bathroom, the shower that's going to go into the bathroom. I've been talking about that renovation for a while. And this was sort of the next major piece of the puzzle because I have to get the wall frame in before I can get the shower in. And the shower is now supposed to come in about 2 weeks now. It got delayed, and so I had to reschedule some stuff. But regardless, how to get that done. And so that's the very first thing that I did on Monday morning. And that was awesome. And then any of the bonus stuff, I didn't get to these two, but this one I was able to do. I got sunburned doing it because it was like 1 in the afternoon, so that was not the best. But regardless, had a strong start on Monday, and then Tuesday was also extremely productive. I could not believe how much I got done. I looked back at the end of Tuesday, and I was like amazed at how many things I got done just because I knew exactly what was next all throughout the day and all throughout the week. Then today, what happened, and this is just me like being fully transparent and kind of humbling myself. I did not get any of this stuff done except maybe this one now that I'm beginning this video. But the reason was because I woke up at normal time at 7 a.m. is when I wake up, and I got started with the day. I kind of like slowly, I could sense already right when I woke up. I kind of sensed I was like, oh my, I was feeling sluggish, but I thought, if I roll out of bed and I get started, brush my teeth and stuff, I started eating breakfast, and I realized like, no, it just hit me like a wall. I guess on this day on Tuesday, I went a little harder than I realized. I do remember on Monday night I was up later than I should have been, and then Tuesday I still woke up at normal time. In fact, I might even woken up a little earlier than usual, and then I still worked a whole full day, which is like 10 hours or something, because I start earlier in the morning. Or I start roughly 7 in the morning is when I woke up, and then I work until about 10 because I work a night job, and so I've tried to normalize that so that it's not like thrown off. I'm not getting thrown off every time I have a night shift. I work that night shift 4 days out of the week, and if I try to go to sleep early on the other days, I'm going to throw off my whole rhythm. So I just have decided to make 10 my normal like cutoff time for working. But again, today I got hit like a wall, and I was not able to. I chose not to do these other things, and so I've pushed them off to tomorrow. My point with that is, it's fine. This is the next sort of phase of what I want to show you in this video. This is so flexible, and I'm going to show you right now live what I'm doing because I had to adjust those things. my priority goals tomorrow, like if I was trying to do this on paper, I would have to rip out a whole new sheet and rewrite all of the goals and rearrange their order if I needed to rearrange their order. But what's beautiful about doing this on a computer and inside Notion is I can just mix and match. I can rearrange things as I need to. And so I'll show you this example. Tomorrow morning, the first priority is, if I don't finish this video, it's to finish this video. But what I'm going to write down, because I'm expecting to finish this right now, is this right here, the taking the dirt batch to the compost facility and then returning my shower. I do want to get that done. And so again, instead of having to write them, I just copy and paste, and there you go. I've got them written down. That third one will be Texas Roadhouse at 4. The video ideally will be done, or else I can just write it into here as well. I think I'll probably have time to do this before work tonight, so I'll just hold off on writing that for tomorrow. This one would be nice to do, but it's not the end of the world if I don't. And then this one I'm not even going to aim for just yet, because I'm just like, yeah, I think it's a little ambitious. I'll have it written there from yesterday if I want it, but better than that is I can just put it off to next week and put it in the all week section as a bonus goal. We're going to put it down here, begin outlining. So I hope you can see the point I'm trying to make with this video is just how flexible this system is. And the idea, the main value of using a productivity system at all, and I think that's really the way to say it, is it's the reason for you to have a productivity system is to clarify, have clear at all times, what is the next task? What is the next thing that you want to be taking, that you want to be paying attention to, that you want to be giving your energy, and do it. If that's not clear, you're going to end up wasting time. It's so easy to waste time. I'm sure you're already aware of that. It's so easy to waste time because you don't know. You don't know what direction you're heading in. We could go all the way to the top level of what do you want to accomplish in the next decade. And that is the starting point then of what you want to be doing next month and what you want to be doing this summer and what you want to be doing tomorrow. It all begins there. But I'm getting a little bit sidetracked. I want you to see that this system, I think, after years of experimenting with other systems, the Booksnote Max, the Supernote, other productivity software like Todoist and OneNote and ClickUp and others, this by far is the most effective tool that I've ever used, and it's completely free. I'm blown away by that. Let me just show you one more example of the flexibility that I'm talking about. We're going to go back to Tuesday, and I'm going to kind of give you an overview of how Tuesday went. I didn't have all of these written down at the start of the day. Instead, what I had written down was these 3. I think I had those all written down, and then I had these written down to here, I think. And when I was doing this task, I went to the compost facility and I dropped off branches, and then I asked them if they could accept dirt. I was prepared for them to say no, and so I was going to list the dirt online for free. That was my expectation, was I was going to have to list this dirt I'm trying to get rid of online as free, and if anyone was willing to come and haul it off, they could just have it. But when the compost facility told me, yes, we do accept dirt as long as it's clean, I realized, okay, I can just cross this off as done because I don't have to list it online anymore, because I can just take it to the compost facility, much easier. And when I did that and I got all my priorities done for the day, then I could start targeting these. This one was actually already done Monday night. And so even though it's crossed off on Tuesday, that's because I wrote it as a goal for Tuesday, but I ended up doing it Monday night because I just had some extra time and I could see what I had coming up, right? So I had that done already, and so I went down and I dusted the new bed that I'm preparing for the second for moving downstairs, because I want a house hack with additional rental income. If this is all new to you, I apologize. I just, for sake of those that have already been following along with the story, you already know I'm house hacking. I'm working on a bathroom renovation to create additional rental income. which will enable more freedom to work on this business, etc. So anyway, that's the gist. I did that, and then when I was done with that, then the only thing, I mean, I had the front yard bait station that I could have done, but I just decided, since I was already working downstairs, I decided to write some different goals. And so what I did was I wanted to buy a new twin mattress. This is before leaving the house. After I finished this task, but before leaving the house or doing anything next, I just came back to this system and I wrote down, what are the other things that I'd like to do this evening, or possibly do this evening. And so I wrote down, buy a new twin mattress, buy a new comforter and linen set, and then start loading the dirt into bins. I put load dirt into bins because I didn't realize it was going to take more than just the one trip. I loaded the bins completely now, and I still have more dirt to go. So I changed this the next day to load partially, and then take the dirt over to the compost facility. And you can see I got that done, got this done, loaded. I started loading dirt into the bins. The compost facility closed. I had to go and get. I have a every 6 weeks I go and get a pedicure with my mother to get my toenails cut. So I went with that. Went and did that. Had dinner with her, and the compost facility was closed at that point. So I decided to just put it off to the next day. And anyway, my point is, you can continue to engage with the system as you go throughout the day and throughout the week and throughout the month and throughout the season. And you continually update and rearrange these things as needed. And so tomorrow, for example, if I wake up and let's say it's early in the morning and the compost facility is not open yet, I don't have to do this task before I do anything else. I can start on video 104. Is this today? What's today? The Wednesday. So this is actually today. My bad. So I can do this. Yeah, over here. If I've already got video 104. So if I wake up and the compost facility is closed and I've got some time to kill, I have a choice. I can, if this guy is available, I can return the shower, or I can do this little bonus task before I go off and take the dirt back to the compost facility.